Located at the estuary of the Yangtze River on China's central coast, Shanghai boasts China's largest industrial base, largest foreign trade port, and a science and technology innovation center. Located in Shanghai Pudong Airport Industrial Zone, Shanghai SMLG Thermostatic Technology Company Limited was founded in 2010 and is a professional manufacturer of VAX thermostatic element sensors. The company has an R&D team with professional R&D capability and first-class technology level in China. Our existing products, including wax thermostatic elements, automobile engine temperature sensors, and temperature sensors for thermostatic mixtures of water heating systems, are provided for well-known enterprises at home and abroad in automotive, military, marine, water heating, air conditioning, and other industries. In order to meet more quickly the needs of customers to develop customized products, we have introduced internationally advanced laboratories with independent formula R&D capabilities. We have established chemical laboratories and product physical performance laboratories, ranging from material analysis instrument to mechanical testing capabilities, which include material expansion rate test and analysis, sealant test, high temperature and high pressure strength test, flow test, use intensity test, load strength test, endurance test, etc. With the ERP, a highly efficient strategic supply chain management system, and a rich product mix, we provide customers with high-quality product manufacturing services that are definitely delivered on time. The company has consolidated product manufacturing service capabilities by introducing internationally advanced automated production, assembly, and inspection line, and applying a variety of high-precision guidance, positioning, feeding, adjustment, detecting, and vision systems to ensure the high precision of product assembly and production, and to keep the continuous advancement of equipment. Our annual production capacity reaches more than 2.5 million units. Considering the existing market demands, we will continue to accelerate the reinvestments of 2 new automated production, assembly, and test lines, and has constantly tried to improve its own management model, sales channels, and marketing tools. Every field has its master. The specialization is also the hard power of enterprise development. While continuously strengthening its R&D capabilities, the company has always targeted and followed internationally advanced technologies to provide ODM services for customers. The company has a complete quality assurance system and has passed ISO 9001 and QS 9000 system certification, and Europe's ACS, WRAS, and other product certifications. We express our heartfelt gratitude to all sectors of the community for their concern, our shareholders for their support, our customers for their continued trust, and our colleagues for their hard work. We firmly believe that, with the support and efforts of all, SMLG will become a world-class thermostatic advanced manufacturing service provider.